Welcome to the beauty of mathematics. How numbers rule the world. Mathematics is a fascinating subject that shapes our lives in ways that we often don't realize. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 most beautiful and intriguing aspects of mathematics that showcase how numbers rule the world. So, whether you're a math enthusiast or just curious about how math affects your life, this video is for you. Let's start with the history of mathematics. The history of mathematics, how mathematical concepts were developed over time. The earliest known evidence of mathematical concepts dates back to around 30,000 BC, with the discovery of bone tools in Africa that were used for counting. Later, the Sumerians in Mesopotamia, now Iraq, developed the first system of writing and used it to record numerical information. They also invented the abacus, a counting device that was widely used in ancient times. The ancient Egyptians are also credited with making significant contributions to the field of mathematics. They developed a system of hieroglyphic symbols for representing numbers and used it for measuring land and calculating taxes. They also solved complex problems related to geometry and applied mathematics. In ancient Greece, mathematicians such as Pythagoras, Euclid, and Archimedes made groundbreaking discoveries in geometry, number theory, and mechanics. Pythagoras is famous for his theorem, which states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. During the Islamic Golden Age, scholars in the Middle East made significant contributions to mathematics, particularly in the field of algebra. The Persian mathematician Al-Khwarizmi is often called the father of algebra, as he was the first to develop a systematic method for solving equations. In modern times, mathematics has continued to evolve, with new theories and concepts being developed all the time. Today, it plays a crucial role in fields such as science, engineering, finance, and technology and has led to countless inventions and innovations. The applications of mathematics in everyday life, examples of how maths is used in different fields. Finance and banking. Mathematics is a crucial component of finance and banking. Financial analysts, bankers, and investors rely on mathematical models to evaluate investments, estimate risks and returns, and manage their portfolios. Mathematics also plays a significant role in financial accounting, where calculations such as compound interest, depreciation, and tax liabilities are calculated using formulas. Medicine and healthcare. Mathematics is vital in medicine and healthcare. In medical research, mathematical models are used to simulate the effects of treatments, predict disease outbreaks, and determine the most effective strategies for disease control. Medical professionals also use mathematical models to determine drug dosages, calculate patient health statistics, and develop diagnostic tools such as MRI and CT scans. Architecture and design. Mathematics is an essential element of architecture and design. Architects use geometry and trigonometry to create designs and determine the correct proportions of buildings. They also use mathematical models to calculate structural loads, wind resistance, and energy efficiency. In interior design, mathematics is used to calculate space requirements, furniture layout, and lighting design. Sports and gaming. Mathematics plays a significant role in sports and gaming. In sports, statistics and probability models are used to predict player performance, evaluate team strengths and weaknesses, and make game strategies. In gaming, mathematical algorithms are used to create realistic animations, simulate game mechanics, and develop artificial intelligence. Engineering and technology. Mathematics is the foundation of engineering and technology. Engineers use mathematical models to design and optimize structures, machinery, and systems. They also use calculus and differential equations to analyze physical systems and predict their behavior. In technology, mathematics is used to develop computer algorithms, design digital circuits, and create software applications. Mathematical education. Strategies for teaching and learning mathematics effectively. Build a strong foundation. Math is a subject where concepts build upon each other. Therefore, it is essential to have a strong foundation to understand more complex concepts. Teachers should ensure that students have a good understanding of fundamental math concepts before moving on to more complex topics. This foundation can be built through practice, repetition, and reinforcement of basic concepts. Encourage students to solve problems step by step and review the solutions to learn from their mistakes. Engage students with real-world applications. Math can seem abstract and disconnected from the real world to many students. Teachers can make math more engaging by showing its practical applications in everyday life. This can be done by using real-world examples to teach math concepts. For example, teachers can use examples of calculating interest rates or measuring ingredients in a recipe to teach mathematical concepts. Encourage student collaboration. Collaboration among students can help them learn more effectively. Encourage students to work together on math problems and assignments. This can help them develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Group work can also help students who struggle with math learn from their peers. Use technology. Technology can be a powerful tool for teaching and learning math. It can make math more engaging and interactive. Teachers can use math apps and software to help students practice and reinforce concepts. Interactive whiteboards, calculators, and online resources can also be useful in teaching math. The beauty of mathematical patterns, recognizing and understanding patterns in numbers and geometry. One of the most basic examples of patterns in mathematics is the concept of arithmetic sequences. These are sequences of numbers where each term is the sum of the previous term and a fixed number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are arithmetic sequences with a common difference of 2. Recognizing these patterns can help us predict what comes next in the sequence and even calculate the sum of all the terms in the sequence. Another fascinating area of patterns in mathematics is the study of fractals. Fractals are geometric shapes that exhibit self-similarity at different scales. One well-known example is the Mandelbrot set, which is generated by a simple mathematical formula but produces an infinitely complex and beautiful pattern. Fractals can be found in many areas of nature, from the branching patterns of trees to the shapes of snowflakes. In geometry, patterns can also be found in symmetry. Symmetry is a fundamental concept in mathematics and is closely related to the idea of patterns. A shape is said to be symmetrical if it can be divided into parts that are mirror images of each other. Symmetry can be found in many different shapes, from simple triangles and squares to complex polyhedra. Another fascinating area of patterns in mathematics is number theory. This is the branch of mathematics that deals with the properties of numbers and their relationships to each other. One important concept in number theory is prime numbers. These are numbers that can only be divided by 1 and themselves, and they form the building blocks of all other numbers. Recognizing patterns in the distribution of prime numbers can lead to some truly amazing discoveries, such as the famous twin prime conjecture. Finally, the study of patterns in mathematics can also have practical applications in fields such as cryptography and data analysis. For example, the RSA encryption algorithm is based on the difficulty of factoring large numbers into their prime factors. Similarly, in data analysis, recognizing patterns in large data sets can help identify trends and make predictions about future behavior. The future of mathematics, emerging fields of mathematics and their potential impact on society. Mathematics is a fundamental aspect of modern life, and its applications can be found in a vast array of fields, from finance and engineering to healthcare and climate modeling. Now let's discuss emerging fields of mathematics and how they could shape the future of our society. Topological data analysis, TDA. One of the most exciting emerging fields in mathematics is topological data analysis, TDA. This field is concerned with the study of complex data sets and the application of topological methods to analyze and visualize the data. TDA has the potential to revolutionize fields such as healthcare, finance, and environmental science by providing powerful tools for data analysis and decision-making. Quantum computing. Another emerging field in mathematics is quantum computing, which combines mathematics, physics, and computer science to create new computing paradigms. With the potential to solve complex problems exponentially faster than classical computers, quantum computing could have a transformative impact on fields such as cryptography, drug discovery, and materials science. Network science. Network science is another emerging field of mathematics that is concerned with the study of complex networks, such as social networks, transportation networks, and biological networks. By applying mathematical models and analysis to these networks, network scientists can uncover insights into their structure and behavior, which can be used to improve transportation systems, social policy, and disease control. Computational geometry. Computational geometry is an emerging field of mathematics that is concerned with the development of algorithms and mathematical models to solve geometric problems in computer science and other fields. This field has the potential to revolutionize fields such as robotics, computer graphics, and computer-aided design. Machine learning. Finally, machine learning is an emerging field of mathematics that is concerned with the development of algorithms that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions. With applications in fields such as finance, healthcare, and autonomous vehicles, machine learning has the potential to transform the way we live and work. And that concludes the beauty of mathematics. How numbers rule the world. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of mathematics and learned something new. Remember, mathematics is not just about numbers but also about beauty, wonder, and discovery. So, keep exploring and keep learning. Thanks for watching.